How to register FAB Mobile Banking. Now, in this quick video, I'll show you a quick guide for you to be able to register an account with FAB Mobile Banking. So this is going to be the application look like. If you don't have it yet, just simply open up your Google Play Store and then just simply locate FAB Mobile Banking application like on this one. If you already downloaded this, make sure to update this. This like is showing on your screen. This is where you can update it to make sure that all the features available on FAB Mobile will be also available on your end. Now open it up. Now, if you're a new customer or if you would like to join FAB Mobile Banking, just choose on Join FAB. Now, on the next page, you will be asked to input the ID number of your identity card. And from there, all the process of FAB Mobile Banking and creating an account are all going to be verification. You're just going to make sure that all the documents or information you're providing into them are going to be accurate and will also match on the identity card that you will upload. And that's it. That's how you register FAB Mobile Banking.